if you want to have success when it comes to your long-term dating and relationship, kumbaga, gusto mo magkaroon ng long-term dating and relationship success, this will be determined by your ability to prioritize yourself and your own path over your relationships with women. That's why, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, mas stress kayo, huwag kayong mas stress sa babae, mas bigyan yung priority, yung stress ng ng buhay mo mismo. Kung dapat nasa low end lang priority ng stress mo yung stress sa babae. Alright? So majority, kung gusto mo ma-attract, okay? So kung gusto mo ma-attract yung babae, yung babae sa'yo, majority ng time, energy, at money mo is dapat binibigay mo sa sarili mo at sa pagbuo ng buhay o lifestyle na gusto mo. Okay? Priority mo dapat ang pagbuo ng self, ang tinatawag kong self-sustainable world. Okay? At word itself, self-sustainable. Kaya mong mabuhay mag-isa. Kung magpapapasok ka ng babae, multiplier lang siya or bonus lang siya. Okay? You want to be the king of your own kingdom. So, in a nutshell, re-attraction, okay? Re-attraction is a result of a man reclaiming his time, energy, and money to focus on building his life, in which forces women to re-evaluate his value and engage in a chase to regain his attention.